I can't take notes on my computer? Fine, I'll use a typewriter.
So, some backstory. I have a Spanish teacher that absolutely doesn't allow us students to take notes on our computers because we will use them to play games. She has told us we need to take notes on paper, but didn't say with a pen, so I decided to do something I have wanted to do for a long time. You see, I collect typewriters, so I decided to simply use one of those. So a few weeks ago I walked into class and pulled out this beast of a machine, Lectra 860. The teacher was shocked and annoyed, but when I told her we were allowed to take notes on paper she actually let me use it. So I suppose it had a happy ending, for everyone other than mine and my classmates' eardrums. And lucky me, after bringing it to class a total of 7 times and taking very loud notes, we are now allowed to take notes on computers.
Should have given some to your classmates. Just think 20 typewriters all going off at the same time.
Lol, 7 times your teacher's a menace.
I love this. I hope each ding was punctuated with you eagerly, expectantly looking at the teacher for her next wisdom that you can dutifully commit to your notes.
Genius. I understand teachers' point of view to an extent, but some teachers make stupid rules for no good reason. I was in 4th grade and had a beautiful new trapper keeper. Yeah, I'm old. I loved that it helped me keep everything organized by subject. My teacher made it a rule that they were not allowed, reason being, they can't fit inside your desk with the rest of your books. I meticulously organized everything in my desk so that my trapper keeper could easily fit along with everything else and figured that since it fit just fine, that the rule didn't apply. When she caught me with it, she confiscated it and made me take it home at the end of the day because that was the rule. That teacher hated me all year long. I wasn't a fan of her either. She always played favorites to the class clowns and sports players, yes, even that young. I was so happy to get to 5th grade. This is a great type of MC smile. Classic. There is a video from my university in Germany where a professor also forbade using tablets or laptops, so someone brought a typewriter. After the video had gone viral, the professor allowed laptops and such again, at least, that is what the rumors said. I wasn't in the lecture. I link the video in case I find it. Edit, found at https://www.reddit.com/r/tiktok cringe/s/yizchu9dlj.
This. Best one in a while. Wish I was there to see it. Thumbs up.
I assume this is high school. If it were a college, a professor shouldn't care if you were playing games, because you are only throwing away your own education money, and they get paid regardless.
I'm sure you can find software to make your typing on your computer sound like a typewriter.
This deserves a standing ovation. Like dude, my fingers are hypermobile. Writing is awful for me, typing is not.
Big win there.
A+ just for effort and determination. That thing must weigh a bit. VSTI Programmer 306 posted their video of this 7 hours before you. Your posts are stacked directly together in my feed. You're going to have a long and promising career as a malicious compliance consultant. Study hard and make us proud. This is the best thing I've read all day. Good for you. How idiotic. If some jerk wastes his own time and plays games during class, that's on them. They'll fail. The rest of you serious students can efficiently take notes on your laptops better than by longhand. Try using the Hanks app. It's a typing app which actually sounds like typewriter keys.
I love this.
This cracked me up, smiley face.
Great malicious compliance. Way to go. Now for the requisite old guy correction. I remember when the Lectra 860 was the sleek, streamlined lightweight kid on the block. Calling it a beast hurts my old man memory. Try an IBM Selectric, or, if manuals are your thing, try a 1960s Royal manual typewriter. Massive. And as for noise, imagine an office full of people all pounding away on those beasts. It could be quite a soothing sound. Actually. D.
If you enjoyed this video, please check out our playlists full of similar content. Epic Ericast is like doom scrolling for your ears. Please like, share, and subscribe.